Every year our schools begin with a spark of excellence, a spark of curiosity, a spark of endless possibilities. You see this box here? It might look like a simple box, but for our nursery children, it is a treasure chest filled with tools that will help them in shaping their ears, their skills, and of course, their confidence. Inside this kit is everything a child needs to explore, imagine, create, and learn. Every book, every tool, every tiny component has been thoughtfully designed, not to teach, but to learn. And now, with this kit, let's explore the components of Nursery Child Kit. You must have seen children crunching their pencils like this while writing. Do you know why? For this, let me take you through literacy time. Literacy time caters to focused mind. This is where the children build the foundation of writing, not just letters, but muscle control, finger strength, and high eye coordination and confidence. Through tracing, patterning, and structured writing practice, children develop the fine motor precision that becomes the backbone of future academic work. Because before children can write beautifully, they must learn to hold, move, and control their pencils with ease. Do numbers and quantifications puzzles your child sometimes? That's where our numeracy book plays a powerful role. It introduces counting, quantity, patterns, shapes, and logical reasoning. The importance of this book is huge because early numeracy predicts future math success, problem-solving skills, and analytical thinking skills. It caters to focused mind, and this is where the math foundation becomes strong. Ever noticed how a child's eyes shine when they're given colors? Art isn't just about pretty pictures. It's about brain development in action. Artsy helps children explore different art forms, different textures, strokes, and elements of art like line, shape, and pattern. It caters to inventive mind. This builds creativity, focus, visual motor skills, and self-expression. Creative children aren't just imaginative, they become better problem solvers, thinkers, and innovators. Knowledge time. It opens the door for children to explore the world around them. Children are natural explorers. Through themes, discussions, and concepts, children develop awareness, general knowledge, and a better understanding of their surroundings. It focuses upon the conscientious mind. It builds a confident and informed learner. It's okay to feel sad. It's okay to feel angry. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. But children must learn how to handle these feelings. Mental mind teaches emotional awareness, coping skills, self-regulation, and resilience. Mental mind focuses upon conscientious mind. These emotional skills are just as important as academic ones. They shape lifelong well-being. Learning to read, write, listen, and speak is a journey, and readiness is the bridge. Our readiness program develops LSRW skills through structured activities, ensuring children are prepared for formal schooling. Stronger readiness means smoother transitions and confident learners. Imagine a room full of tiny voices, some loud, some soft, some unsure, but all of them waiting to be heard. Our language programs gives every child the power to express themselves confidently. Through stories, rhymes, conversation prompts, and vocabulary games, children not just learn how to talk, but how to communicate effectively and express their emotions clearly. Strong language skills form the core of cognitive development, reading readiness, and social confidence. When children learn to speak well, they learn to understand the world. Homework for preschool? Yes, but the gentle and meaningful kind. Our homework books reinforce classroom learning, strengthen retention, and involve parents in child's learning journey. It builds discipline, responsibility, and revision habits without any stress. This small routine becomes a big stepping stone for future academic structure.
In Kidzee, our sessions are not only limited to our classrooms but are also a part of our daily life. This is not only a welcome letter but also reflects our eco-conscious session. This sheet can further be utilized for planting. This bag in our child kit is so designed that our children find it easy to use. This bag not only carries the weight of their belongings but also the weight towards becoming a responsible citizen as children take their first tiny step of becoming independent. Further to our safety measures, we have parent pass as a part of our child kit component. This helps in developing trust between the school and the parent and for organized pickup. Safety is an integral part of Kidzee. Hence we have this cap as a part of our child kit. This not only protects children during the scorching heat in summer but also during the outdoor activities. Adding to our safety measures, we have child identity card as a part of our child kit component. This helps in ensuring child safety and identity within and outside the school premises.
Paint, clay, water or food. Learning happens everywhere. This apron keeps our little explorers clean and confident so that they can freely create, experiment and enjoy every activity.